Today I'm gonna get the Dodge Dart started, hopefully. This is my 1971 Dodge Dart Swinger, or GT Swinger. Used to belong to my late brother, and it's been parked here for I think 4 years. So I think today I'm gonna try to start it. The engine is a 318. It's modified with a home-built fuel injection using a MegaSquirt system. Throttle body from an old Opel and various things. It was all built by my brother. See if I get it running. First thing, fresh battery. No sparks. And since it's homemade fuel injection and using a bit of rubber hoses, of course I have a fire extinguisher ready. We have at least some fuel pressure. Checking for some leaks. Can't see anything. Maybe I should squirt some fresh fuel down there. Can't really see any obvious leaks. I think I run it a bit more and warm it up. See if I get it to run or idle. We'll see. Maybe this explains why it won't run. Try to fill it up and see if it changes. It's really smelly, the exhaust, so I think it's bad fuel. Now it idles fairly well. It seems like a vacuum valve shut off, so it's running quite nice on old fuel. See if I can get it into reverse. I think the brakes are a bit locked up. We'll see. Definitely needs a car wash. Well, it was definitely easier to get the old car running again, and I managed to get it out, turn it around before I parked it. I need to clean the windshield and get some air in the tires, and also the brakes. It's power brakes, but it doesn't feel like they're working. I have a complete setup in spare, but I'm not sure if it's the booster, which I know has been replaced, or if it's the master cylinder. If it's the master, I could rebuild it. That would be the easiest option, but I'll see. At least it's running, and I'll see if I can get it home and drive it a bit this summer.